In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to measure the pullback of a candle to determine where your stop loss should be. Okay, so what I do is I look at the pre-market. Okay, or I just look at any candle trend. Okay, now we all know that if we're going long, this is the open of the candle, this is the highest that the candle's taken us, and this is where the candle closed. Okay, now from the high point of the candle to where it closed is your first pullback from here to here. Okay, so we're going to measure from here to here. Now if you look at the price bar here, I'm gonna move this closer so you can kind of see right there. Okay, so we measure from here. If you look at the price bar, that's 68.5. Okay, it's 68.5 on the side. Okay, then we pull back down to here. Okay, down to 68. Okay, so that was 2 ticks away. Okay, then our next candle would open up down here. So the entire pullback is going to be from here to here. So if this is 2 ticks, then we come back down here where it's 67, what we can say 67.50, 67.75. Okay, whatever, 68. So if it goes from 68.5 to 67.5, that's 4 ticks of pullback. Okay, so we want to set our stops beyond 4 ticks because we know that the pullback is not going to hit our stop if we set it at 6. Okay, then we measure this one again from here. Okay, so that's 68.77. If you look at the price, pulls back here and it pulls back here. 68.77 to 68. Okay, that's 3 ticks. Okay, so this is about a 3 tick pullback. So even if you have a 6 tick stop, you're safe because the pullback is not going to generate your stop. Okay, and then so on and so forth. So that'll be the average. Every now and then you gotta kind of go back and check. Okay, so we'll check on this one right here. Okay, so 70.5 pulls back here, it pulls back here. So 70.5 to, I don't know, 69.75. That's what, 1, 2, 3, about a three tick pullback. Again, we're still safe with 6 ticks. Okay, so that's how you're gonna measure the pullback. Now, if you come over here and you measure something like this, obviously this is gonna be crazy, right? So look here, the open here, the high of the high. Okay, now the pullback. Okay, look at the price from 70.75, it pulls back down here to 69.75. That's already 4 ticks. Okay, then we come back down all the way to here. Okay, this is what 69. That's 6 ticks. Okay, I think that's about 6 ticks. So our stops obviously is not going to be 6 ticks. We have to go beyond that. So we'll set this one at 8. Okay, but now you got to realize now, if you're doing 8 tick stops, you got to look at your risk. Is that within your loss? Is that within your loss tolerance? Okay, because sometimes 6 ticks could be what, $400. So depending on depending what it is, that's how you're gonna determine where you're gonna place your stops. Now, if your stop goes way beyond 6 ticks, right, then just don't trade. Simple as that. Okay, that means it's too crazy. Like this right here, because it's big, the pullbacks are big. Don't trade. Okay, you get killed. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So again, we're gonna take it from here. Okay, then we're gonna go down to here. That's the measuring right here, and then we're gonna end up measuring right here. Okay, right at this line right there, the opening of the next candle. So from here to here is the pullback. Okay, and the same thing with the short. Okay, so it opens here, goes down here, pull back here to the next opening of the candle. So this one is from here to here is where we measure the pullback. Okay, I hope that makes sense.